Transfer Amex points to Delta SkyMiles. In this video, you are going to learn how to transfer Amex points to Delta SkyMiles. So let's get started. First, you need to log into your American Express account. Visit the American Express website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the membership rewards section of your account. This is where you can manage your membership rewards points. If you have not already done, you will need to link your Delta SkyMiles account to your American Express account. Look for an option to add or link the frequent flyer programs within the membership rewards section. After that, initiate the transfer. Find the option to transfer points to airline partners in the membership rewards section. There should be a list of airline partners eligible for point transfers. Select Delta SkyMiles from the list. Enter the transfer details. Follow the prompts to enter the number of membership rewards points you wish to transfer to Delta SkyMiles. American Express typically has a minimum transfer requirement, and transfers are usually made in increments of 1,000 points. Review and confirm. Review the transfer details, including the number of points to be transferred and associated fee or restrictions. Once you are satisfied, confirm the transfer and wait for transfer to complete. The time it takes for the transfer to complete can vary, but it's usually within a few days. Once the transfer is complete, you should receive confirmation from American Express and Delta SkyMiles that the points have been transferred to your frequent flyer account. With the points now in your Delta SkyMiles account, you can use them to book about flights, upgrades, or other redemption options offered by Delta SkyMiles or its partners. That's all. That's how you will be able to transfer Amex points to Delta.